Hi, welcome to another video with Tech in a Sec. So today we have Monster Power Conditioners. So what these are is basically, they say they filter your power, they have power protection, and it looks nice. Me personally, I don't believe in power conditioners. I don't believe that your power lines from the wall are dirty and this will help it. The reason being, every single appliance you have in your house right now has a power conditioner built in. But I mean, if you do need a multi-box and you do want something that looks cool, this really does look cool. And another thing is it has a USB, two USB ports, and they are rated at 2.4 amps. So you could use it for your YouTube, for your iPod, your tablets, your phones, anything, which is great to have. Woo. Oh, here's another thing we're going to talk about shortly. And you've got a little bit of antenna leads here. Good packaging. So basically, this is how it looks. It looks pretty cool, as I said. You've got the nice black color. You've got 6. This comes in 4, 6, and 8 ports. The 6 and 8 ports come with USB. The 4 does not come with any USB. It has your network connection right here. And on here, you've got your cables in and out. So let's take a look at this one. Now, this is very interesting. You put this near your LAN, you're near your modem. And then what happens is, once this is connected to your power cable near your modem, you will connect it through this port back to your modem. And what this will enable this to do is it will transport your network through the cable of power within your house to this one. And you could connect it from here to your device, which is your TV, your Xbox, whatever. So if for whatever reason, your modem is very far from your setup, this will help eliminate that. So you could have as if this will transport your modem directly near your setup, which is something great to have. But just a note, the speed of this is only 50 megabits per second. Now that might be slow for some people if you want to do 4K streaming, if you want to do a lot of gaming, but for majority of people that will not be an issue. So guys, in conclusion, this device is nice, especially with this added network feature. Like I said, the 2 USB ports come in really handy. The 6 power ports is also handy if you have a lot of units. But don't buy into the whole HD clean thing. It does not add anything to your devices. It will not magically make your TV appear sharper or your sound system sound better. It will just not do that. What it will do is give you a nice outlay. It looks nice. Like I said, the USBs are great. This network is great. If you could find it on clearance, it's good, but I wouldn't go and pay $400 or $300 for it. Yeah, but that's just me. Thank you.